Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. May God keep all of us safe. Now let's come to the studies. Today I will deliver a lecture on chapter number 2, climatic regions of the Muslim world. All of you are well aware about the Muslim countries as we have read about these countries in chapter number 1, that the Muslim countries are the countries which are declared Islamic by their government. Climatic regions means the areas which are divided by the factors that determine the climate of that place. It means climatic regions ऐसे इलाके हैं जिनको कुछ फैक्टर्स की बेस पर डिवाइड किया गया है. मतलब कौन सा इलाका पहाड़ी है, कौन सा इलाका समंदर के करीब है, कोई इलाका ऊंचा है तो कोई इलाका नीचा है. ये सब ऐसे फैक्टर्स हैं जिनकी बेस पर मुस्लिम कंट्रीज़ को भी कुछ क्लाइमेटिक रीजन्स में डिवाइड किया गया है. Let's discuss the regions. Here are 8 regions in which Muslim countries are divided. The first one is desert, then semi-deserts and scrubland, tropical grasslands, tropical forests, temperate deserts, Mediterranean climate, temperate grasslands and monsoon. These are the 8 climatic regions in which Muslim countries are divided. Now, the first one is deserts. What are deserts? Deserts are the areas with very hot climate. There is no rainfall throughout the year and there is hardly any agricultural output. As you can see here in the picture shows that the land is very hot, there is no rainfall and there is hardly any agricultural output. Almost 70% of the world's desert area is in Muslim territories. The Sahara Desert is in Africa, makes up 60% of the total desert area of the world. Did you get that? The Sahara Desert in Africa makes up to 60% of the total desert area of the world. The Thar Desert in Pakistan, the Somali Desert in Africa, the Kazalkum in Uzbekistan and the Shte in Iran. These are the deserts which are located in Muslim countries. Now, here is semi-deserts and scrubland. Semi-deserts and scrubland are the areas which have very hot temperature. They are hot during the day and cool at night. These areas are not as same as desert. They have hot temperature during the day and cool at night. The rainfall is not too good to grow crops. Tough plants and shrubs grow there. As you can see here in the picture, this area is not like the desert. There are some plants. People who live there have goats and sheep. These animals eat that plants and have hard wool. Hard wool is good for making carpets. Western sides of Pakistan have these type of deserts like Thal and Thar. Now, the next one is tropical grassland. What do you mean by tropical? Tropical mean hot. Tropical grassland are the areas which lie between deserts and tropical forests. These are the areas which are present between deserts and tropical forests. They have rainfall between 500 to 1500 millimeter per year. Scattered trees and tall grasses are the vegetation of these areas. Lions, giraffes, zebras, elephants, etc. are the animals which are present in these areas in tropical grasslands. The next one is tropical forest. Tropical forests mean hot forest. These forests are present in Central Africa along the equator of the Southeast Asia. They have heavy rainfall between 1800 to 2500 millimeter per year. 20 degree to 30 degree is the temperature of these areas. Thick forest and tall trees are the vegetation. Teak and other hardwood, rubber, sugarcane, cocoa, mangoes, pineapple, and other tropical forests are the products of these forests. Birds, monkeys, snakes, lizards, and insects are the animals of these areas. These areas also have some effects on human life. They also have healthy effects and some bad effects too. These areas put healthy effects as there is a great amount of oxygen. These areas produce great amount of oxygen, but they have bad effects because these areas have too much insects, and these insects are cause of malaria, and which is very common here. The next one is temperate deserts. Temperate means not too much hot and not too much cold. These areas are present in Afghanistan, Central Asian states, and some other parts of the Pakistan. They have rainfall in 50 to 300 millimeter per year. Temperature of these deserts are not as hot as deserts, which we have discussed earlier. Vegetation. Acacia and cassia and other grasses are the vegetation of these areas. Dry lands but product crops by irrigation and fertilizers. Pakistan has 3 farmlands like these temperate deserts. The next one is Mediterranean climatic regions. These type of regions are around the shores of Mediterranean Sea, the coastal areas of Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Syria, Turkey, and Lebanon. There are some agricultural products of these areas. This area produce high value crops for the markets of the Western Europe. It is the large cotton growing base. Egyptian cotton is highly prized for its long stable fiber. Here are some fruits of these areas: grapes, citrus fruits, olives, and flowers. Now here are temperate grasslands. Temperate grasslands are present in Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, parts of Jordan, Iraq, and Pakistan. They also have some rainfall. They have fairly rainfall low between 400 millimeter per year. The temperature is reasonably warm and excellent for rearing cattle. Long grass, excellent for cattle breeding, is the vegetation of these areas. Cereal crops are the vegetation of these areas. Now here are monsoon lands. What are monsoon? Monsoon is traditionally a season wind which is used to describe seasonal change nowadays. Monsoon lands. Their location is only the subcontinent and Southeast Asia. The direction of the wind is from northeast for 6 months and southwest for the rest of the year. The southern winds bring heavy rainfall over 400 millimeter per year. The vegetation of these lands are thick and rich vegetation as the rainforest. So this was about today, the climatic regions of the Muslim world. Thank you so much. Stay home, stay happy.